Hey all you cool Oceanside otters, voici les leçons pour la semaine du 15 juin jusqu'au 19 juin, lundi à vendredi. This week is a very special week as it is almost our last week of school. I've decided to have some fun activities in this must-dos next and last. So let's go through it together. First of all, we have Math Mystery. You can see there is a link here. If you click the link, it'll take you to a Google document, which will show you the outline of what we'll be working on this week. And it's the case of the school invaders. So once you've solved all the clues, you'll find out where they are hiding. Next, we have money activities. There's also this fun Michael Mitchell song, Canada in My Pocket. If you want to play it, just click the link on here. And play a math game. Attached to the document is a 4x4 magic square and 4 in a row subtraction. This week for must-dos in literacy, please click the link to watch, or if you own it, you can watch I Will Not Ever Eat a Tomato. If you own the book, please read the book to your child. As you are reading, think about somebody, the main characters, wanted. What did one of the characters want? But what got in the way? This is the problem. And so, this is the solution. After you do that, please create your own story in French using the template provided. Say, quelqu'un veut, mais alors. Someone wanted, but so. Next activity, please watch the video Alice l'a fait. It's a good video. It's a French girl reading it. Or you can watch the video La Fée et le Trésor Caché. We are going to make a little fairy house using a small clay pot and plasticine. You could get both at the dollar store. They have a 3-pack of small clay pots, and you could start by drawing your house and writing about it. Please remember it must include a door, a window, a roof, and something extra. Une porte, une fenêtre, et un toit. Something extra could include a flower box, such as in the sample here provided. When you are done, put your little fairy house in your garden after we share on Zoom. You can create a character that lives in the house too. It can be magical or not. And again, here is an example of what a fairy pot house could look like. For reading, we're going to mix it up this week, and we're going to introduce the vocabulary to la plage. We are going to read the vocabulary 3 times over, please. You're going to write the lists A, B, C, and D in alphabetical order, how many syllables, and the secret word, and I will show you that briefly. Please click this link to get all of the printables you will need for the next 2 weeks. Your child does not have to do all of the printables in the package this week, just the ones that I have put on this slide. If you're feeling creative, you can make your own storybook by clicking this link, or you can read using Je lis, clicking on this link. And also there's extra theme books here for you to look at if you wanted to change from Je lis. Exploration fun this week. Mr. Gauvin is coming into our class, and I see there's an error there with Father's Day. Sorry, I'll add that. It is Father's Day coming up on June 21st. We'd like you to make your own infinity cubes using wooden blocks or paper. The small wooden blocks can be purchased from the dollar store as well. You can also make an inukshuk or a heart collage at the beach. And as always, for the last few weeks, we have some Lego challenge cards. Please note that our Zoom lesson for next week will be a little bit different. We are going to have a special Zoom as it is our last one. I would like all students to be present at 9 a.m. and we are going to have a pancake breakfast together. So obviously bring your plate of pancakes. We'll wear our pajamas and we'll just have a conversation about a favorite memory at school this year or a memory, and also perhaps share our fairy houses if they're done or your infinity cubes if it's done. So we're really looking forward to that, and I'll have a special guest there as well. Guided lesson number 1, écrire une histoire. listen to the story. I will never, not ever eat a tomato. And as you're listening to it, think about the main characters. What did one of the characters want? What got in the way? And what was the solution? Next, I'd like you to use this template here to create your own story using the same idea. La plage, les mots de vocabulaire. Un poisson. Une bouée. La crème solaire. Le soleil. Les palmes. Une planche de surf. Les algues. Une caméra. Un t-shirt. Un short. Une vague. Les sandales. Un château de sable. Une plage. L'océan. Une serviette de plage. Un parasol. Un coquillage. Nager. Le sable. Un palmier. Un ballon de plage. Un seau. Un bateau. Une pelle. Un maillot de bain. Un crabe. Les lunettes de soleil. Une casquette. Une mouette. After you're done reviewing that vocabulary a few times, we are going to write the écrit chaque liste en ordre alphabétique. You're going to write the words in alphabetical order. As you can see here, this is list D with plage, château de sable, soleil, bouée, nager. You will write list D in this box here with the D in le coquillage. You will also notice on the bottom of the sheet, to help your child, there are the letters in alphabetical order. Liste A, coquillage, seau, ballon de plage, maillot, and pelle. Liste B, parasol, ballon de plage, casquette, mouette, serviette. Liste C, océan, nager, bateau, crabe, poisson. Liste D, I'll read this one again, plage, château de sable, soleil, bouée, nager. After you've completed that activity, this activity is color the number of syllables. So this one is bateau. So if we were to clap it, it would be bateau. So then you would color 2 because there are 2 syllables. This one is casquette, seau, pelle, coquillage, parasol, mouette, palmier. And let's find the secret word. You will need to look at the picture, fill in the letters for that word to find the secret word. And it is in order with the circles on this line here. So that'll be your work for the booklet for this week. And last, we have our Lego challenge cards here. Build a rainbow, make a Lego beach ball, build a flower, make an upside down house, grab a handful of Legos and build something, and make a parachute man that really flies. And here are some special work from this week. We have Dans la forêt. Thank you to our mystery author here. Je suis allée faire une randonnée dans la forêt. J'ai d'abord vu un joli oiseau dans l'arbre. Ensuite, j'ai remarqué qu'un écureuil se cachait dans les feuilles. Puis, j'ai couru vers la rivière. Enfin, je suis retournée à la maison le long du sentier. And another mystery author this week. Il était une fois une fille et un grand-papa. Une fois, le grand-papa allait pêcher. La fille veut aller pêcher aussi. Alors, les deux vont chercher les vers de terre et une canne à pêche. Les deux attendent pour un long temps. Tout à coup, le ligne tire, mais c'est une boîte moisie. Cette fois, la ligne a tiré encore plus fort et elle a attrapé un grand saumon et apporté le saumon à sa maison pour manger. Thank you, friends, and this is a wonderful job on some Lego Challenge cards. I encourage you to continue working hard this week and enjoy. If you have any questions, as always, email me and I will be more than happy to respond. Looking forward to our Zoom on Thursday.